workout 1 is done of the 90-day challenge. If you guys are new to this vlog, I'm doing a 90-day challenge where I either surf, bike, snowboard every single day for 90 days, go to the gym every single day, 90 days, and 1 cold plunge every single day, and 90 days. And to top it off, I do a vlog every day that drops at 8 a.m. And now what is up is cold plunge. At least I got this gorgeous sunrise to suffer with. I mean, this is just getting better and better. This is incredible. Santa Cruz has been getting a lot of rain, so at least we have a break in the rain, and this is what we got. Absolute beauty. Bonnie, how are you doing? Good, how are you guys? Okay, so I don't actually know the temperature of this water. I know it's cold. Well, I got a thermostat coming. Santa Cruz is not looking good. The waves are insane. A new swell is coming in. It's like 10 to 15 foot with insane current and just messy waves everywhere. And I checked a bunch of spots today because I thought I was gonna go surf because we have a break in this storm, but it's not gonna happen. I saw somebody lose their board into the Santa Cruz wharf. I saw people get dragged all the way down, and I saw spots that I absolutely thought I would see people surfing be absolutely empty. It's a good day to take a bike ride. So I'm gonna grab the Santa Cruz bike and I'm gonna ride out to 4 Mile, and it should be absolutely mayhem out there. This is why I feel so lucky to live in Santa Cruz. This trailhead is like maybe 1.5 miles from the place I actually live. I was able to ride here. Highway 1 is right there, and this trail takes me out to Wilder Ranch, which is seriously one of the most epic locations in all of Santa Cruz. So I got about like a 3 to 4 mile ride. I think I'm gonna try to make it to 3 Mile to check out the waves, because the swell is just like, it's building and it's insane. So we're gonna try to make it out to 3 Mile or maybe 4 Mile and get some clips and hopefully just take a look at the chaos.
Takes me down. Is this the song that'll work it out? The one that pays the bills and buys the house. Money, money, I don't have enough of it.
All right, now we're on the train tracks, which is actually a nice, pleasant ride to, I guess, like San Francisco. You can ride it. It pretty much follows the coast.
You dry, leaves you high and builds you into a kingdom. You can be anything you want to be. It makes you know, makes you feel.
You see, the northern spots usually get a lot more swell.
Money, money, I only got one problem, but it'll be the one that takes me down.
Okay, we made it out to 3 Mile. I don't know how much I've ridden so far. The ocean is absolutely as wild as I've ever seen it here in Santa Cruz. The sun is setting behind those clouds. It's gonna be a dark ride home. If you guys are new to this vlog, I'm doing a 90-day challenge where I either surf, bike, snowboard every single day for 90 days, go to the gym every single day, 90 days, and 1 cold plunge every single day, and 90 days. And to top it off, I do a vlog every day that drops at 8 a.m. Check it out. Make sure to like and subscribe and take in this beauty, because Santa Cruz and its raw power, it's happening. Hopefully I can get some surf sometime soon.